Yeah, stay here. So d by dt of x is dx by dt only. D by dt of 3at by 1 plus t cube. It is u by v formula. So u by v goes as first denominator whole square, that is v square, 1 plus t cube whole square, v into 1 plus t cube into d by dt of u, that is 3at, minus 3at into d by dt of 1 plus t cube. 1 plus t cube as it is. Derivative of 3at, 3a constant, derivative of t is 1, minus 3at as it is, derivative of 1 is 0, plus derivative of t cube is 3t square, whole divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. So here 3a into 1 plus t cube minus 3at into 3t square divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. So multiply 3a plus 3t cube minus 3 3 is 9at cube divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. So numerator 3a plus 3at cube minus 9at square. 3at cube minus 9at cube is minus 6at cube. Therefore, dx by dt is equals to how much we got? Dx by dt is equals to 3a minus 6at cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. Take 3a common in the next step. So if we take 3a common, 1 minus 2t cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. This is of dx by dt. This is of dx by dt. Next. Let y is equals to, we have another value of y. What is y here? Y is equals to 3at square by 3at square by 1 plus t cube. Same apply u by v rule. Here differentiating with respect to t. So apply d by dt both the sides. D by dt of y is equals to d by dt of 3at square by 1 plus t cube. U by v formula. So left side d by dt of y is dy by dt. Denominator whole square, that is 1 plus t cube whole square. V into 1 plus t cube into d by dt of 3at square minus 3at square into d by dt of 1 plus t cube. So 1 plus t cube into 3a as it is, derivative of t square is 2t, minus 3at square as it is, derivative of 1 0, plus derivative of t cube is 3t square, divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. So 1 plus t cube into 3 to the 6at minus here 3at square into 3t square divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. Open up the bracket. 680 into 1 is 680 plus 680 into t cube, 680 power 4 minus 380 square into 3t square, 980 power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square. So what do you get? 680. 6a t power 4 minus 9a t power 4 is minus 3a t power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square. Try to take common. In both the terms, common is 3a t also common. So here what gets 2 minus t cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. This is about dy by dt. But in the question, he is asking dy by dx. So in the question, we want dy by dx. Can be written as dy by dt by dx by dt. Both dt get cancelled. We'll get back dy by dx only. Substitute dy by dt. Dy by dt is 380 into 2 minus t cube by 1 plus t cube whole square by dx by dt. How much we got? Dx by dt value is 3a into 1 minus 2t cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. Any cancellation? 1 plus t cube whole square, 1 plus t cube whole square cancel, and 3a cancel. Therefore, the result is dy by dx is equals to t into 2 minus t cube by 1 minus 2t cube. So this is how we have to do. Individually, when x and y are given, first differentiate x with respect to t, next differentiate y with respect to t, both together dy by dx can be written as dy by dt by dx by dt. So like that we can simplify the ways whatever we have. So here directly we can simplify the value, then substitute in the question. Just go through the question. Similar type, we have one more. I'll explain that also. Next question. This question has come in the March exam. Question number 2. X is equals to a into cos t plus t sin t. Cos t plus t sin t. And y is equals to a into sin t plus t cos t. Sin t plus t cos t. Then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. Same process like previous question. First take x, simplify. Then take y, simplify, substitute in dy by dx. Solution given. First take x is equals to a into cos t plus t into sin t. So we have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to t here because x is in terms of t. So d by dt of x is equals to d by dt of a is outside into cos t plus t into sin t. If you observe, cos t is single and but t into sin t product. Apply UV rule here. So left side dx by dt as it is. A is constant outside. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t plus here UV rule, U into d by dt of sin t plus sin t into d by dt of t. So here a into minus sin t plus t into derivative of sin t is cos t plus sin t into derivative of t is 1. So here sin t and minus sin t getting cancelled. Dx by dt value we got as a t cos t. A t cos t. Keep it aside. Similarly, also given y is equals to a into sin t plus t cos t. A into sin t plus t cos t. So same type differentiating with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t. D by dt of y is equals to d by dt of y is equals to d by dt of a as it is sin t plus t into cos t. Again here two terms are there in t into cos t. Take one is u and the other one is v. Apply UV rule inside. Derivative of y is dy by dt as it is a constant d by dt of sin t cos t plus apply UV here t into d by dt of cos t plus cos t into d by dt of t. So a into cos, here you can write 1 second. Okay, cos t as it is plus t into derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Yeah, in the question in y is equals to minus is given. So here it is minus. Just make a change. Sin t minus t into cos t. So here you have to write minus. So when you are differentiating, this becomes minus. So sin t derivative cos t. Then here minus of open the bracket. Minus of open a small bracket. Now, outside this minus as it is, open the bracket. T into derivative of cos t is minus sin t plus cos t into derivative of t is 1. So a into cos t minus into minus plus t into sin t minus into plus minus cos t. Here cos t getting cancelled. So dy by dt is equals to a t sin t. So dy by dt is equals to a t sin t. But we want dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt value we got it as a t sin t and dx by dt we got it as a t cos t. So a t sin t by a t cos t. A t cancel. So left out one sin t by cos t. Sin t by cos t is got tan t. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to tan t. So like this, we have to simplify such kind of question. Go through the question. Next. Next question. Before going to this question, just learn few formulas, trigonometric formulas. Tan 2 theta. Trigonometric formula. Tan 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Because we are going to use these formulas in the next question. Next. Tan 3 theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So tan 3 theta is equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Next, tan 4 theta. 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta. This we don't use much, but only in this question we are using 1 minus 6 tan square theta plus tan to the power 4 theta. Most of the time we will be using tan 2 theta. In some cases we will use tan 3 theta. Only rare case we will be using tan 4 theta. With the help of these three formulas, next question I am going to derive. Take the formula. Take the question. If y is equals to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square minus tan inverse of 4x minus 4x cube by 1 minus 6x square plus x to the power 4. Then prove that dy by dx is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. Then prove that dy by dx is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. So take the question as it is given. Y is equals to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square minus tan inverse 4x minus x cube by 1 minus 6x square plus x to the power 4. Tan inverse of too many terms are there. If it is single term, directly we could go for the derivative. But when tan inverse of too many terms are there, go for the substitution. So here the substitution is put x is equals to tan theta. Because tan inverse outside is there. If inside we can get tan theta, both can get cancelled. So that is why put x is equals to tan theta. So theta become tan inverse x. Keep them aside. Go to the question and substitute. Y is equals to tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta plus tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta minus tan inverse of 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta by 1 minus 6 tan square theta plus tan to the power 4 theta. Just substituted wherever x is there, tan theta. Now, formulas given just now. 2 tan theta by tan square theta is tan 2 theta. In the same way, tan inverse of this part can be written as tan 3 theta minus tan inverse of the entire term can be written as tan 4 theta. Now here, tan inverse, tan inverse, tan inverse getting cancelled. So left out part is y is equals to 2 theta plus 3 theta minus 4 theta. So 2 theta plus 3 theta, 5 theta. 5 theta minus 4 theta is theta. So y is equals to theta means what we have? Here we have tan inverse x. Theta can be replaced by tan inverse x. We got y value is tan inverse x, but we don't want y. He is asking dy by dx. So here differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. So d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of tan inverse x. So derivative of y is as it is dy by dx. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. This is only we wanted to prove. We proved it. Let's go through this. सब जने घड़ी 4 बजे रखो. घड़ी सब 4 बजे रखो. So these are all about first derivative. Now, another type of question, second derivative, suppose if he asks, how? We have a few questions on them. They are also important. Go to the next question. If y is equals to a into x to the power n plus 1 plus b into x to the power minus n, then show that x square y double dash is equals to n into n plus 1 into y. N into n plus 1 into y. Most important question it is. Y is equals to, in terms of x values are given. He is asking us to prove x square y double dash. Y double dash means second derivative he is asking. We know d by dx of y is, either we can write dy by dx, or we can write y dash, or we can write y1. In the same way, d by dx of y dash is y double dash, or we can write y2. Depend on the question, we have to change the notation. Here, solution given. What is given? Y is equals to a into x to the power n plus 1 plus b into x to the power minus n. First find out y dash. So directly we can write differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of a into x to the power n plus 1 plus b into x to the power minus n. So d by dx of y is dy by dx. D by dx of a as it is x to the power n plus 1 derivative. First power will come as a multiple into x to the power, subtract 1 from the power, plus d by dx of b as it is d by dx of x power minus n. First write power, Then subtract -1 from the power. So a into n plus 1 into, here 1 cancel, x to the power n, plus into minus minus, b into n into x to the power minus n minus 1. This is about dy by dx. We can write y dash, because in the question he is showing in terms of y dash and y double dash. Next, again take the sign differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. So d by dx of y dash is equals to d by dx of a into n plus 1 into x to the power n minus b into n into x to the power minus n minus 1. So the differentiation of this particular part is d by dx of y dash can be written as y double dash is equals to a as it is, n plus 1 as it is, x to the power n derivative, n will come as a multiple and subtract 1 from the multiple, n into x to the power n minus 1. Next, minus b n as it is, x to the power minus n minus 1 derivative, minus n minus 1 as a multiple, x to the power subtracting 1 from the power. So this becomes a n into n plus 1 into x to the power n minus 1. Take minus common, it becomes b n into n plus 1 into x to the power minus n minus 1 is minus 2. Now, both of them n into n plus 1 common. So this can be written as a into x to the power n minus 1 plus b into x to the power minus n minus 2. This is of y double dash. Carefully observe this. We want to prove x square into y double dash value. So here what to do? A few more steps to simplify. N into n plus 1 as it is. A into x to the power n minus 1 as it is. Plus b into x to the power minus n. X power minus 2, write it as x square. Now take common denominator. X square is LCM. So here we will be getting n into n plus 1 as it is. A into x to the power n minus 1. When you take LCM is x square, into x square will come. Plus b into x to the power minus n. Left side y double dash is there. Cross multiply x square y double dash is equals to n into n plus 1. A into, here bases are same, power should be added. X to the power n minus 1 plus 2 plus b into x to the power minus n. So n into n plus 1 into a into x to the power n, 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1, b into x to the power minus n. But this value is nothing but what in the question? Y is given. So replace this value by y. Therefore, x square y double dash is equals to n into n plus 1 into 1. This is only we want, right? Go through the question. This most important question it is. Copy down the question. Whatever the doubt you have, you can drop your message. Next question. This is also another important question. If a y to the power 4 is equals to x plus b whole to the power 5. A y power 4 is equals to x plus b whole to the power 5. Then prove that 5y double dash is equals to y dash square. Then prove that 5y double dash is equals to y dash square. So here y is given, y dash means first derivative, y double dash means second derivative. We have to find out. Multiple powers are there. So y power 4 is there in the question. Solution goes like this. Given a y power 4 is equals to x plus b whole to the power 5. So take y power 4 is equals to x plus b whole power 5. A goes, it becomes by a. If it is y, differentiation will be easy. So y is equals to x plus b whole to the power 5 by a whole to the power 1 by 4. Because y power 4 is there. So if you remove 4 here, the other side it becomes 1 by 4. Now separate it. Y is equals to x plus b to the power 5 by 4 by a to the power 1 by 4. By taking this, we have to differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. So d by dx of y is equals to d by dx of x plus b power 5 by 4 by a power 1 by 4. Here a power 1 by 4 is constant. Keep it aside. Only treat x plus b power 5 by 4 as x power n and do the differentiate. dy by dx can be written as y dash is equals to. It is in the form of x power n into 5 by 4 into x plus b to the power n minus 1 by the constant as it is. So y dash is equals to 5 by 4 x plus b to the power LCM is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1 by a power 1 by 4. Take it as equation 1. By taking this, again differentiate because we want y double dash in the answer. Differentiating with respect to x. Do the differentiation. D by dx of y dash is equals to d by dx of 5 by 4 into x plus b to the power 1 by 4 by a power 1 by 4. So 5 by 4 as it is. Again x power n concept. N into x plus b to the power 1 by 4 minus 1 by a power 1 by 4 as it is. Left side derivative of y dash is y double dash. Now y double dash is equals to 5 by 4 4 the 16 x plus b. Here LCM is 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3 by a to the power 1 by 4. Keep it aside. Now go to the question. What we want to prove? 5y double dash. Take LHS. What is LHS? 5y double dash value. We have to prove y dash whole square. We'll see. 5 into, what is our y? Y is equals to x plus b whole to the power 5 by 4 by a to the power 1 by 4 into y double dash value is 5 by 16 x plus b whole to the power minus 3 by 4 by a to the power 1 by 4. So here simplify 5 5 is the 25 by 16 x plus b. Bases are same, power should be added. 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is 2 by 4. In the same way, a power 1 by 4, a power 1 by 4 is a power 2 by 4. Just to use the logic. 25 we can write 5 square and 4 also we can write 5 square. So here take square common. So this becomes 5 by 4 x plus b power 1 by 4 by a power 1 by 4 whole square. Now observe from equation 1. Equation 1, 5 by 4 x plus b power 1 by 4 by a power 1 by 4 is nothing but y dash. So this is y dash whole square. So what we have taken? 5y double dash we have taken. What we prove? y dash whole square. That is what we want. Most important question. Powers are in fraction, so little bit difficult to do the differentiation. If you concentrate addition and subtraction, the answer you get easily. Focus on the simplification. So keep practicing these questions which we discussed in last 2 days in differentiation chapter. 7 mark questions. These are all most important questions. So with this, the differentiation chapter is completed. In the next class, we're going to explain another 7 mark question, the tangents and models. So we continue the class tomorrow. Thank you.